They have a lot of stuff here.
Jesus, they're huge. Those are too big, you know? Yeah, I don't want that. Yeah, lobster here is looks smaller. What do you think? We're gonna check around if we have smaller ones, huh? Oh, it's small. It's smaller.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, lady.
That's dangerous. That's
This is
Spider-Man.
It's kind of a shot, this one. Our lady risking her life for
That-
our lobsters.
That looks dangerous. Like genuinely dangerous. I think excited
Excited, yeah?
and pumped. You know, we want to get to work. We want to get everything done. We want to push real hard and, you know, make people happy.
The resolution, I mean, it's winning, yeah? That's my goal. I think that's also some of our goals.
Yeah.
It's also showcasing what we can do with Korean ingredients, and I hope the Korean public will accept that in a positive way.
Is there a team name that pops up?
Yeah, the sexy ones, huh? Wow! Fan!